Olla Heater is being marketed as an energy-efficient, cost-effective solution for quickly warming up your space, but does it really live up to the bold claims? After thoroughly testing it, I found that while it does produce some heat, it falls far short of the high expectations set by its advertisements. The claim that it can heat up an entire room in just minutes seems exaggerated, as it struggles to provide consistent warmth beyond a very small area. It works more like a personal heater rather than a room heater, meaning you have to be close to it to feel the warmth. The energy savings claims are also questionable since, at the end of the day, it's just a compact space heater with no groundbreaking technology to reduce electricity consumption significantly. The build quality is another concern. While it looks sleek in pictures, in reality it feels cheaply made, raising doubts about its durability and long-term performance. A major red flag is the marketing strategy, which uses misleading advertising tactics to make it seem like a one-of-a-kind product when, in reality, it's nearly identical to many generic heaters being sold under different names, often through dropshipping. The customer service and refund process are also frustrating, with reports of delayed responses and difficulty in getting refunds, making it a hassle if you end up unsatisfied with the product. While it's not completely useless and does provide some warmth, it simply does not live up to the grand promises made in its promotions. If you're looking for an effective and reliable heating solution, there are definitely better options available for the same price or even less.